Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to build a personal academic achievement tracker using Airtable. This will be your full guide for 2025. First off, we need to create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This gives us a clean slate to build our tracker. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table, name it Courses. Here, you'll enter all your subjects. The reason we do this is to keep track of all your coursework in one place. Next up, let's add the necessary columns. Right-click on the header of the first column, rename it Course Name. Add another column, name it Grade. Change its field type to Single Select. In this field, you can add grades like A, B, C, and so on. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our grades and view them at a glance. Now let's create a second table. Call it Assignments. This table will be used to track all your assignments and projects. Add columns for assignment name, course, due date, and grade received. Set the course column field type to Link to another record, linking it to the Courses table. This allows us to connect our assignments directly to our courses, which is crucial for keeping our data organized. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is now creating a relational database for us, connecting our courses and assignments tables. This way, we can easily track our academic progress across multiple courses. Lastly, let's add a view to visualize our data. Click on the Grid View button, select Group By, then choose Course. This will group your assignments based on the courses. Now, you can easily see your progress in each course. The reason we do this is to make our data more digestible. With our data grouped by course, you can easily see your progress in each class, helping you to stay focused and on track. And there you have it, a personal academic achievement tracker in Airtable, tailored to your needs. Remember, this tool is flexible. Feel free to add more tables, columns, or views as you need. Keep tracking your progress and reach your academic goals. Thanks for joining me today.